Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix screen mirroring not working on MacBook M4. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, search here sharing. Now click on sharing. And here you can see the option screen mirroring. Now here you can turn on or off your screen mirroring. Now click on info icon and here you can manage your screen mirroring settings. After manage your screen mirroring settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.